is correcting mathematics assignments given to students. We are looking at tally charts at this point in time. I am going to share my screen and we will correct the exercises that are supposed to be completed. So this is the exercise here on tally charts that were needed to be completed. So we know some of them, the pages are kind of blocked off. So I will go here. The tally chart below shows the number of pupils who were present last week in Standard 4. Complete the chart below. So what you're doing is you're just going with 5, 10, 15, and 4 is 19. In Tuesday, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 1 is 21. In Wednesday, they told you 20. So you know you have to group. You group into 5, 10, 15, 20. Groups are 5s, 4 strokes and a slash. Thursday needed to work out. It was 5, 10, 11, 12, and Friday is 13. 5 and 5 is 10, and then the 3. Then they usually like to give you some different questions. Which days had the greatest and least attendance? Respectively should probably be placed here. So Tuesday would be greatest and least would be Thursday. What was the total attendance? Would be to add up everything. So when you add up everything, you're going to get 19, 21, 20, 12, and 13 to give you 85. And then if you're doing 85 and you're dividing by 5 days, because it's Monday to Friday, 5 days would be 85 divided by 5, 17. 17. Now, as best as they can, they would have to construct a tally chart for this particular favorite colors. So you have to check to see how many red, how many blue, how many orange, and how many pink. There are 4 colors here. So they did the tally chart here for you. Red is 8, blue 10, orange is 7, and pink is 5. So you have to ensure as well too that, as I said, the tally chart is 5 strokes, 4 strokes down and 1 across to get 5. You group into 5s. And then your total is your frequency. How many children were interviewed would be 8 and 10, 18, 7 and 5 is 12. Answer: 30 children were interviewed. Favorite color would be blue because it's 10. Least would be pink because it's 5. And how many more children prefer red than orange? Red being 8 and orange being 7. 1 child preferred red more than orange. What was the average? Would be 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5, which is 30. 30 is divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 30 divided by 4 is 7.5. 7.5 would be number 5. In this exercise here now, the tally chart is incomplete. You should know 5, 10, 15. 11 is 5 and 5, 10, and 1, 11. Netball is 5, 10, 15, and 1 gives you 16. 20 is broken into 5 fours, which is 20. And the rugby is 3. Complete the chart would be the first thing. What is the favorite? Cricket is the favorite, 20. Rugby is least, which is 3. Persons that were surveyed would be 15, 11, 16, 20, and 3, which adds up to 65. 65 is the amount of people surveyed. How many more persons preferred football than rugby? Football being 15, rugby being 3. 3 from 15, answer would be 12. 12. And then the average that you look at would be 65 is the amount, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sports. 65 divided by 5, your answer would be 13. 13. And that covers the tally chart. That covers the tally chart. And as we go along, we will move straight into pictographs. So pictographs is right after. I can probably do this one as well too one time. Tally charts is the strokes, and the pictograph would be the pictures. And right, so I believe they told me to take the pictograph here and then move forward. Right, I think I will separate this from where it is and do this particular thing separately. One moment. Right, so they can correct the tally chart and I'll do pictographs separate because the videos are very long.